Alright, at this moment, I would like to request Mr. Please come to the stage.
Okay, Madon.
Oh, mana ya dol nga kuan ka pag-grab ka kadyo. Oh.
Family events, ladies and gentlemen, your name. After I graduated from college, I found myself taking on the challenge of managing a business that was completely unrelated to the field of study, a business I knew nothing about, and one that had monopolized the market by a single company for nearly a century. 25 years ago, we started Cebu Power Marketing.
Antek to borrow.
Fewer than 5 employees. A secretary, an IC, a technician, a driver, and an agent. We operated right out of the driveway of our current shop in Manila. Our storefront was simply made with an accordion gate, 2 tables, 5 chairs, 1 second-hand computer, and 3 to 4 floors of lights. We squeezed into a 30 to 40 square meter of GS batteries, well-known brand in Japan, but almost unheard of here in the Philippines. Back then, nearly everyone else was selling the dominant brand. I still remember how customers would walk into our shop, look around, and leave because they didn't recognize the brand. That we needed extra time to put the
Antek na borrow.
solution
360 ka na eh.
making us a bit slower in comparison. In those few months, we sold fewer than 10 batteries.
Dito man.
Not even half
Talang na ay.
But eventually, Basa Mandawi, Subang Dako Mandawi, Banilan, Banawa, to Talisay in the south and Mactan. We just expanded our Mactan shop from 18 square meters to 100 square meter shop. Now with ample parking space, bigger and more convenient shopping experience. The first of its kind of battery shop here in the Philippines. We also became the first 24/7 car and motorcycle battery delivery service in Cebu, delivering automotive and motorcycle batteries, rain or shine, day or night. Our delivery never sleeps. We are also one of the first battery shop to accept credit, debit, and on-site and off-site of GCash and Maya, giving convenience to the customers with different modes of payment choices. We expanded our reach with an online shop, making our products more accessible to even more customers outside Cebu, aiming to serve and deliver nationwide. In response to the rising demand of green power, we started All Batteries Energy Solutions, a business focusing on renewable energy solutions like solar, wind, and energy storage, expanding our products to include distribution of EcoFlow, power stations, and solar products for Visayas and Mindanao. But these achievements would mean little without our supportive suppliers, loyal dealers, and incredible customers. And none of these